The mission statement framework is perfect for concrete goals, but can be less effective for the more abstract and less tangible intentions. This section invites you to look beyond specific targets and consider how you want to spend your year. How do you want to live each day? How do you want to feel? What do you want to achieve? What do you desire? What changes do you want to make? For example, you might want to become a better listener, improve your relationship with your partner, or be kind to yourself and let go of the incredibly high expectations you impose on yourself. This exercise is perfect for those who want to step into the year with a bit more clarity and purpose. It can serve as a precursor to goal setting. You might use the line space on the left to journal or brain dump anything that comes to mind. The 4 boxes on the right are for refining and categorizing your list of intentions. When you revisit this section, you can quickly glance at these boxes, which clearly outline your intentions and the key areas you want to focus on throughout the year. Here are some examples of categories you might use: family, career, hobbies, fitness, personal development, mental health, relationships, parenting, education. While your intentions may span more than 4 categories, having these 4 boxes helps you prioritize a few core areas. If you feel inspired to include additional categories, then you can also split each box into half to accommodate 2 categories in each box.